If you ask men what they require the most in every relationship, they'll most often tell you respect. Even if you don't like me, I need you to respect me. It's a foundational component built into the DNA of every man. There's something in us that requires due regard for who we are and what we bring to the table. Since we require respect out of other relationships, the question is, how do you make a woman respect you? It's all about what you dictate respectfully. Let's get it. If you want a woman to respect you, you have to look deep inside. It's no secret that women are capable of pushing your buttons, playing games, taking you to task, and sometimes straight up manipulating a man. I'm not saying women are bad. I'm just saying that they are imperfect, just like men. And if you want to make sure you don't succumb to those imperfections, you have to respect yourself first. When you respect yourself, you are fully aware you're calm under pressure. You don't play games. You're not a pushover to deal with her drama. And you're definitely not going to allow yourself to be manipulated. Respecting yourself means learning what you value and honoring that. Respect for oneself is always holding yourself to your standard, regardless of what a woman or anyone else wants to do to you. When you honor your own values that you hold true to you, the consequences don't matter. She can pout or leave or whatever. You respect yourself too much to be anyone's doormat or pushover. The ironic thing is, women respect you when you respect yourself. This is a secret that most women don't want to hear, but almost every woman responds to positively. When there's a situation or occurrence or event that's negative between you and your woman, take control. This doesn't mean being domineering or authoritative, just be in control. If there's a disagreement, listen to her, understand the situation, and work to find the common ground. If there's an emergency, take control and do whatever is necessary in the shortest amount of time to get to safety or get help, whichever is called for. When she needs support, be supportive. When she needs space, but she doesn't even realize it, give her space. Taking control is literally managing the situation to work toward the best outcome for both of you. Taking control can also mean making the tough decision that she doesn't like or agree with in the moment, but you're doing what you believe is best long-term for the both of you. Women respect men who take control, but you don't need to say it out loud. Just do what you need to do. Lastly, it's important to be a man that is honored and respected by others. Women respect men who are respected by other people. When a woman sees that you're respected by others, she sees you as competent, capable, and confident. Other people validate her premise that you're the great guy that you show yourself to be. Women like a man who is held in high regard by others, as it's a constant reminder that this man is a man who is respected by his peers and in good standing with his community. Your respect within those circles is a self-fulfilling prophecy to her that you are exactly who you seem to be, and she loves and respects that about you. Getting any woman to respect you is not your responsibility. Respectability will show up in how you live and who you are. Your responsibility is to be the best version of your authentic self every day. When you show her how you respect yourself, how you take control of situations, and how you're honored and respected by others, she'll be attracted to you, respectful of you, and she'll understand that her respect for you is fuel for your superpower.